So, today we'll be going over how to insert a talk bed for long talk breaks. A talk bed is essentially instrumental music that plays behind your long talk breaks, and remember you should be working on 2 long talk breaks per hour, each one around 30 seconds long. First, you'll look towards the bottom of the screen and click where it says Library. Then in the search bar, you'll type talk over bed and several options will pop up, some with descriptions like funky or Halloween and others without. Most of them are just generic fun beats, so don't worry too much about which one you choose, and you won't be able to preview these breaks, so you won't hear what they sound like until you're actually recording your voice. Now you'll select the break you want to include by clicking on it and then clicking on the insert button by the song you want it to play immediately before. To get the display to look like how it did before you search for the talk bed, click on the yellow WUFT button on the bottom of the screen. Next, you want to make sure you delete any pre-recorded images that appear right before or right after your talk bed, so that the order looks like song, talk bed, song. The other thing to note with talk beds is that you will have to lower them like you do with all songs while you're speaking, so that the background music doesn't overpower your voice. The talk over bed will play automatically like any other song, but since it's a minute long and we won't be speaking for more than 30 seconds, you'll have to end the break early, otherwise people will just be listening to instrumental music for the remainder of the minute. To end the talk bed right away when you're done with your break, just click the play button on the song coming up next to get it to start playing right away. That's it, now good luck inserting your talk beds and recording your long breaks.